Welcome to Broomfield Tai Chi Chuan. In today's video, let's talk about the importance of opening posture. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to watch all the latest Tai Chi videos. Now let's practice some Tai Chi. So, in the beginning of the 24 form, and most Tai Chi forms, Yang style, there's an opening posture. And this opening posture is very important. It sets the tone for the entire form. So let me demonstrate it once. Step out with your left foot. Both hands come up. You use your center and sink your hands. It's simple and subtle, but it's very important. Next, you go and adjust your weight to go into your first move. Now, in opening posture, you're going to use your center to execute the move, and you're going to send energy through your feet and your stances and out into your arms. Now, if you don't do that correctly, then your whole form will not be correct. Also, in opening posture, you're going to sink into the level that you're going to be the entire form. So when I go into my opening posture and I sink down to this level, I'm then going to do the entire form from this level. So if I only sink this much, then I should be at that level the entire form. Or if I sink this much, then I need to be at this level the entire form. Now when you do opening posture, and you step out, as you bring both hands up, use your center to execute this move. So I use my center and bring both of my hands up. Then I extend my fingers out. Then I use my center to sink. And my hands come down. And I'm connecting with the ground. So now I feel my energy through my whole body. I feel intention in my palms and a connection with my stances. Also, as I do my opening posture, I expand and contract. I step out, I expand, and contract. Bring energy to the center. And I move into my next move. So let's do it one more time. Step out, open, hands come up, extend the fingertips, and sink, hands come down. Also, my mind is relaxed, and I breathe slow and even. So when I start my Tai Chi form, if my mind is wandering or I have thoughts here and there, this opening posture will help me to relax. So take a nice deep breath. Step out, hands come up, relax your thoughts, center your energy, hands come down, and now you're ready to do the whole Tai Chi form. And that was the importance of opening posture. Subscribe to my channel for all the latest Tai Chi videos. Keep practicing, stay healthy, stay strong.